104 years. And Kathy and Kathy's mother, remember when we sang, Kathy's father, Bob Cook, was a local radio person, and he had us on his radio show a number of times, and we went and did fairs and all kinds of things. So we've had a good time with this. But
we sang quite a number of times on the radio when the radio station was up on Broadway, just beyond 5th Street. And then we'd sing for a half hour or so, and then we'd go play golf. And that was the important part, was getting to the golf course. But anyhow, like David said, when we were pretty young, we used to do a lot of the Everly Brothers. So that's what we're going to do tonight for you. 3 songs. A year or so ago, we did bits of 2 or 3 different songs here. But tonight we're going to do 3 full songs. You'll probably all recognize it when we start singing them. Those of you that are old enough to remember the Everly Brothers. Johnny is a joker, he's a bird, a very funny joker, he's a bird. But when he jokes my honey, he's a dog, his joking ain't so funny. Johnny is a joker that's trying to steal my baby. He's a bird dog. Johnny sings a love song like a bird. He sings the sweetest love song you ever heard. But when he sings to my gal, what a howl. To me he's just a wolf dog on the howl. Johnny wants to fly away and puppy love my baby. He's a bird dog. Hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovey-dove alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken little of your own. Johnny kissed the teacher, he's a bird. He tiptoed up to reach her, he's a bird. Well, he's a teacher's pet now, he's a dog. What he wants he can get now, what a dog. He even made the teacher let him sit next to my baby, he's a bird dog. Hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovey-dove alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken little of your own. He's a bird.